Why does the author believe that Basel III's approach to risk management is promising? Where do we have this reference? It is the second paragraph that has this reference. And in the context of the highlighted text, the passage says that Basel III aims to widen risk coverage as a way of enhancing risk management, and this is a promising approach. So the author acknowledges this approach, but also says that banking sector regulators must be forced to implement these practices. So the overall thought here is that the author finds this approach promising, but also acknowledges that it is going to have certain challenges. So in that context, let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, the passage doesn't suggest that the author believes that this approach, even if it is promising, adequately addresses the concerns related to it. So this answer choice cannot be inferred from the passage. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, in the context of this discussion in the highlighted text, the passage doesn't indicate any contrast between this accord and a similar approach taken by the regulators in most countries. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice C, confidence in the theoretical soundness of the approach. Yes, the passage mentions that the approach is promising, but it is going to have practical challenges. So it is correct to state that by highlighting the promise in this approach, the author indicates confidence in the theoretical soundness of the approach. This is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D, raise questions over the successful implementation of these protocols. The highlighted text says that the approach is promising, which is a positive sentiment. So the highlighted text cannot indicate raising questions, which indicates a negative sentiment. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, to describe the importance of the process of risk management. This is too generic an answer choice. The word promising here indicates that the author is talking about a particular promise in Basel III Accord. So it is incorrect to state that the highlighted text indicates the importance of the process of risk management in general. So this answer choice can be eliminated. C is the correct answer.